I stopped doing these settings manually on my Samsung phone because routines now do everything automatically. Most Samsung users know this feature exists, but very few people actually use it. Samsung Routines lets your phone automatically perform actions based on condition you choose. You can save the battery, launch apps automatically, change settings, and even make your phone smarter without touching anything. Let me show you some of the best ones. The first routine is probably one of the coolest on Samsung phones. You can make different fingerprints do different actions. For example, when I unlock my phone with my thumb, it opens my cache cleaner app. And if I unlock it with my index finger, it opens YouTube automatically. To set this up, go to the setting, then open lock screen and AOD. Open the first option, screen lock. Then enter your password and from here tap on fingerprints and register multiplay fingerprints. Now go back and open moods and routines from the setting. Tap on routines at the bottom, then press plus icon from the top. You will see two sections, if and then. This is where the magic happens. Tap if. Search for unlock with fingerprint. Select it and select the fingerprint you want it. And tap on then and search. Open an app or do an app action. Then open any app you want it and then save the routine. You can repeat this for every fingerprint and give each one of different action. The next routine is for battery life and charging. Most of us leave Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data enabled all the time, even while charging. Many of these stay active in the background, so we can create a routine then disable them automatically while charging instead. To do that, from here, tap on if and search charging status. Tap it and select charging and choose charging. Now from then, type Bluetooth, select Bluetooth and select off. Type Wi-Fi and select Wi-Fi off and mobile data. Save the routine. Now your phone may stay cooler while charging and reduce unnecessary background activity. If this video has helped you so far, subscribe to Learnotime because I'll share more Samsung tips and hidden features like this. My location is usually turned off to save the battery, but when I open the Google Map, I need it fast. Instead of turning it on manually every time, Samsung can do it automatically. Create a new routine for this. Just from part 1, select Open App, select the Google Map, then search for location and turn it on. Now every time Google Maps opens, location turns on automatically, and when you leave the app, Samsung turns it back off. Simple but very useful. The last routine is perfect if you charge your phone overnight. If your phone stays plugged in while sleeping, you probably don't need fast charge. Just open a new routine. In if, choose time period and select your night schedule. You can choose any time range you want. Now add another connection, charging status, and select charging. Then inside then turn fast charging off. You can even enable the power saving mode at the same time. This helps reduce heat while charging and may help battery health over time. Samsung phones have a lot more hidden tricks like this, and in the next video I'll show you some of the best Samsung features most people never use. Do not forget to like this video.